Hello and welcome back, folks. Today we're making Burmese chicken curry with lemongrass. Burmese curries are not heavily spiced. The main spices being used are turmeric and paprika. The benefits of this is that it lets the flavours of the main ingredients being used flow through. The addition of lemongrass in curries is more common in the southern regions of Burma, where it borders with Thailand. The addition of lemongrass brings an interesting twist to a classic Burmese curry. So, are you ready to cook? Okay, let's go. For this recipe we're going to use chicken thighs. 1 kilogram is enough for 4 people. Take off the skin and remove any excess fat, but leave the bones in. We'll be cooking the curry with the bones in, and this will give it extra flavour. Place the chicken thighs into a bowl and add in 1 teaspoon of salt. And half a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix the ingredients together using your hands. And then let it stand for 15 minutes. Next, take 2 white onions and peel the skins and chop them up finely. It's really important that you chop the onions as finely as possible. If you want, you can even put them in the blender to get the right consistency. Also take 2 cloves of garlic and crush them using a garlic press. Heat up 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil and fry the onions and garlic until they become translucent. This should take about 10 minutes on medium heat. Add the chicken thighs into the pan along with 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. Cook the chicken thighs for about 5 minutes until they're no longer pink. Take 2 fresh lemongrass stalks, cut them in half and pound them lightly with a wooden spoon or a kitchen mallet to release the oils. Add the lemongrass to the chicken and cook for a further 5 minutes. Add 1 glass of water into the pan and let the curry simmer away for 1 hour without a lid. The lid should be left off the pan to allow the water to evaporate and for the sauce to thicken. After 1 to 1.5 hours, the curry is ready. The sauce should be nice and thick and the onions rendered down. Serve the curry with freshly cooked jasmine rice. If you have any queries, folks, leave it in the comments and see you next time.